Hi everyone, welcome back to NexEra. If you have been following the tutorials, I recommend watching the previous episode first. In this episode, we'll move forward and learn how to publish your app. Before publishing your app, it's a good idea to connect it to the BLE device that your end users will use. This helps ensure everything works smoothly and prevent possible connection issues later on. To connect your app to a BLE device, you can simply turn off the offline toggle at the top, tap Reconnect, or open three-dot menu and choose Set Hardware. So you can choose your hardware from the list. In the design space, there are also 3 optional steps you can complete before publishing. They are not mandatory. It completely depends on your preferences, but they can help you prepare your app for sharing. First, you can allow users to customize your app in the App Hub, giving them flexibility to modify it if you choose to allow that. Next, enable the Cloneable option if you want others to be able to republish your app under their own account. And finally, add screenshots so users can see a visual preview when they browse or download your app. Now, let's go through each of these steps one by one. First one is Dynamic Customize Permission. From the app setting in three-dot menu, you can add dynamic customizations, allowing the users to make changes to your app in the App Hub, like add or change hardware, assign hardware, add or change property, add change trigger, and finally, move or resize components. Next one is Cloneable option. If you enable the Cloneable option before publishing your app, other developers who receive your app in their Dev Hub will be able to republish it under a new name as their own version. Use this option carefully. Only enable it if you want others to duplicate and publish your app independently. Next one is screenshots. This option allows you to take screenshots from your app so users can see a preview before downloading. Go to the Preview tab, click on three-dot menu, take the screenshots you want, and then click on Set to attach them to your app. After doing these steps, save the changes you made in your app. Once everything is saved, go back to Dev Hub and click on the Publish tile. From here, select the app you want to publish. You can choose to publish your app locally or worldwide, depending on how you want to share it. Okay, let's start with local. If you publish your app locally, it means the app will appear only in your App Hub and will be for your personal use only. It won't be shared with anyone else. First, select the app you want to publish. Then choose a publish name for it. You will also see a sync option. When you turn this on, any changes you make in the Dev Hub will automatically be synced with your app in the App Hub. It's great for keeping everything up to date. Now let's move to Worldwide tab. When you publish your app worldwide, it will appear in your personal dashboard, which was created automatically when you made your NexEra account. There, you'll find the QR code, App ID, and your app file. You can share the file with developers and the QR code or App ID with both users and developers. I'll explain the dashboard in more details in a separate video. Next, select the app you want to publish and choose a publish name. Here you can also check if your app is clonable or not. You should decide whether it's clonable or not in your design space. You can change it here, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. As you can see, in this project, clonable option is locked, so other users cannot have a clone from that. In the project type section, you'll find three options. DevHub allows developers to open your app in DevHub for development purposes. AppHub lets end users open and use your app in the App Hub. Sync allows both developers and end users to access your app. Please note that selecting these options doesn't directly publish your app in either hub. Instead, you'll receive the app's QR code, App ID, and app file in your dashboard, which your users can use to open the app in the App Hub, Dev Hub, or both depending on your chosen option. The project info section is used to define your app's version. After the first publish, if you want to update your app, you can't use the same version number again. You must change at least one of the version's number here and tick the I want to change the project version option to confirm that this will be a new version of your app. Then you'll see the gallery section. If you have taken screenshots in the design space under the preview tab, they will appear here. Otherwise, this section will be empty. In this section, you can select which screenshots to display to introduce your app to your users. And finally, there is the About This App section. Here, you can describe what your app does or explain its main features. Once everything is ready, click on the Publish button. Please note that after clicking Publish, you won't see anything appear here. You'll need to go to your dashboard to find your QR code, App ID, and app file. I'll show you how to find and manage them in another episode. That's it for this episode. Now you know how to publish your app in NexEra, both locally and worldwide. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next tutorial, where I'll show you how to manage your dashboard and your published apps.